Hi everyone! Today I'll be showing you how you can make continuous lark's head knots or how you can make a lark's head knot using one strand of rope. Let's get started. Take your rope and fold it in half so that you have a short end and a long end, and then just attach it to your dowel rod with a normal lark's head knot. Now, take your long end of that rope and we're going to tie a single stranded lark's head knot. So take that end over your dowel rod so that you have a loop in front. And then just pull the end of that rope through the loop, slide it where you want it to sit on your dowel rod and pull it tight. Now take that same rope behind the dowel rod to form your loop. Send the rope through the loop and then pull it tight. It will look just like a normal lark's head knot. And then we just repeat. Just like that, and now you have made continuous lark's head knot using the single-stranded lark's head knot method. You can kind of turn these knots up so you see a really pretty design on the wood. Now if you need to hide the ends of your ropes here, you can swing them behind your dowel rod and then pull them through the knots on the other side to keep them hidden and secure. But they will be visible from the other side, so just keep that in mind. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.